Welcome to BGS College video classes, mathematics video classes. Today I am going to discuss Cauchy homogeneous linear differential equation related formula and solving problems. You consider x power n, d power n, a1, x power n minus 1, d power n minus 1 plus etc. a n of y is equal to f of x. This equation we called as Cauchy homogeneous linear differential equation. Here I am taking substitution, take z is equal to log x. This implies x is equal to e power z. This equation we called as number 1. Differentiate equation 1 with respect to x. So, dz by dx is equal to 1 by x. I am changing logarithmic form to exponential form, x is equal to e power z. Now, here dy by dx can be written as dy by dz into dz by dx. So, this implies dy by dx dy by dz into 1 by x. So, here this equation we call as number 2. Cross multiply x dy by dx is equal to this one, x dy by dx is equal to dy by dz. Here this implies x d by dz is equal to d by dz. So, xd is equal to d1, where d is equal to d by dx and d1 is equal to d by dz. So, first formula xd is equal to d1, xd is equal to d1. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x. I am differentiating equation 2 with respect to x. Derivative of dy by dx with respect to x is d squared y by dx squared. I am using product rule. So, first function into derivative of second 1 by x squared, second into derivative of first d squared y by dz squared, dz squared. So, here d squared y by dx squared minus 1 by x squared dy by dz 1 by x into here d squared y by dz squared can be written as here d by dx of dy by dx. Sorry, we get like this d by dz of dy by dx. Next here 1 by x square dy by dz 1 by x dy by dz from 1. In this particular case here dy by dz is nothing but here in this particular case here d squared y by dx squared. I am using product rule, first into derivative second, second into derivative first. So, d by dz of dy by dx. Here in this particular case I am taking d by dz of dy by dx. Here dy by dz, dz by dx means here in this particular case here I am taking d by dz. Here in this particular case if we take like this d by dz square dy by dx into dx multiply and divide by dx minus 1 by x square dy by dz. Here dz into dz, d in this particular case I am taking d as it is, dz into dz, dz squared, remaining term is dy, here multiply and divide by dx. So here in this particular case, here dy dz squared, d into d like this one, dy by dx is nothing but what here, dy by dx is nothing but dy by dz into 1 by x into 1 by x. So here minus 1 by x square dy by dz 1 by x squared 1 by x squared. Here in this particular case, instead of this one, if we take d by dz as common, here we get what is the result? 1 by I am taking dy by dz as common, 1 by x squared also. So we get here in this particular case minus 1 here in this particular case d squared x by divided by dz squared. So here d squared y by dx squared, x squared d squared y by dx squared. So this one is nothing but in this particular case this one is d1 1 minus here d1 minus 1 in this particular case 1. Differentiate equation 2 with respect to x, first into derivative second, next 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square, second into derivative first d by dx of dy by dz, here minus 1 by x square dy by d, next 1 by x in here dy by dz into dy by dx, interchange these two d by dz and into dy by dx, but dy by dx is the thing, but we know that dy by dz into 1 by x. Instead of dy by dx I am taking 1 by x dy by dz from 2. Next 1 by x square d squared y by dz squared. Next multiply by x square d squared y by dx squared is equal to minus dy by dx plus d squared y by dz squared. Next here x square d square by dx square is equal to d square divided by here dz square minus d by dz. Next this can be written as x square d square is equal to d1 squared minus d1. So x square d square is equal to d1 of d1 minus 1. Next here similarly x cube d cube is nothing but d1 minus 1 d1 minus 2. X cube instead of x cube d cube I am taking d1 of d1 minus 1 into d1 minus 2. Similarly we get this result, this one, that's all. 4x square d square y by dx square plus 4x dy by dx minus y is equal to 4x square. Here there is a multiple x squared x, so we have to eliminate. Using this substitution. So given equation 4x square d squared y by dx square 4x dy by dx minus y is equal to 4x square. Here this can be written as 4x square d square 4xd minus 1 of y is equal to 4x square. Here I am taking z is equal to log x, imply x is equal to e power z. Here this implies xd is nothing but d1 x square d square is nothing but d1 of d1 minus 1. This equation we called as number 1. So, equation 1 becomes this one is equal to d1 squared minus d. Next 4, instead of x squared d squared, we know that this result by the previous result xd is equal to d1, x squared d squared is nothing but d1 of d1 minus 1. So, d1 squared minus d1. So, here d1 squared minus d1, 4 d1 minus 1 of y, 4 x is nothing but e power z. So, x squared is nothing but e power 2z, e power 2z. Next 4 d1 squared minus 4 d1 plus d1 gets cancels of y is equal to 4 e power 2z. Next auxiliary equation is 4m squared minus 1 is equal to 0. Auxiliary equation of 4 d1 squared minus 1 is 4 m squared minus 1 is equal to 0. LHS equating to 0, replacing d by d1 by m. So, m squared is equal to 1 by 4. So, m is equal to plus or minus 1 by 2. Therefore, yc is equal to c1 e power half z c2 e power minus of z. Because in terms of z I am taking, because x is equal to I am taking e power z. So, here solution I am taking in terms of z, because I am changing to in terms of z function. Next yp 1 by 41 squared minus 1 4 e power 2z. Yp replacing d1 squared. So, replacing d1 squared by replacing d1 by 2. So, we get 4 minus 1 4 e power 2z. Replacing in case of exponential function, replacing d by m, m is nothing but 2. So, here yp 4 divided by 15 e power 2z. So, complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So, yc is nothing but c1 e power half z, c2 e power minus half z, 4 by 15 e power 2z. So, y is equal to c1, this can be written as e power z whole power here e power z root of this one c2 root of e power 2z e power z root of e power z. Next 4 by 15 e power z whole square. So, y c1 e power z is nothing but what x. So, root x plus c2 divided by root x plus 4 by 15 x square. Instead of e power z I am taking x. So, 4 divided by 15 x square. So, here in case of yp means particular integral, replacing d by m procedure. So, m is nothing but 2. So, replacing d by 2, 2 squared means 4, 16 minus 1, 15, 4 by 15 e power 2z. Next yc plus yp complementary function plus particular integral, c1 e power half z, c2 e power minus half z, 4 by 15 e power 2z. So, e power z root of, here there is a term half multiple half z. So, root of e power z, this can be written as root of e power z. E power minus 1 by 2 z can be written as here c2 divided by root of e power z, 4 divided by 15 e power 2 z can be written as e power z whole square. Instead of e power z I am taking x. Therefore, root x, here e power z whole square means x square. This is the solution of the required solution of the given problem. Solve. x square d square by dx square plus x dy by dx plus sin y is equal to 3x squared sin of 3 log x. Here given equation x square d square xd plus 9 of y 3x square sin of 3 log x. Because we know that d by ds is nothing but d square divided by dx square is nothing but d square. I am taking y as common. I am taking x square d square divided by x square is nothing but x square d square. xd by dx is nothing but xd plus 9. I am taking from this term y as common. So take z is equal to log x, imply x is equal to e power z. This implies xd is nothing but d1, x square d square is nothing but d square d1, where d is nothing but d by dx and d1 is nothing but d by dz. So equation 1 becomes instead of x square d squared I am taking d1 squared minus d1 xd d1 plus 9 of y. So 3. So here 3x squared, x is nothing but e power z. So this becomes e power 2z plus sin 3. Instead of log x I am taking z, because here e power z means x, e power 2z means x squared. Instead of log x I am taking z. Next d1 gets cancels, d1 square plus 9 of y. So 3 e power 2z sin 3z, sin 3z. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 9 is equal to 0. So m square is equal to minus 9. So m is equal to plus I minus 3i. Therefore yc is equal to c1 cos 3z, c2 sin 3z. Yc, because we know that formula plus I minus I beta. In this particular case c1 cos beta some x, in general c2 sin beta x. This is the formula. Instead of x I am taking z, that's all. Next yp, particular integral 1 by d1 square plus 9 3 e power 2z plus sin 3z. Next here yp 3 into 1 by d1 square plus sin e power 2z. Next 1 by d1 square plus 9
the major
z. Next yp replacing d by m. M is nothing but here 2. So 4 plus 9 e power 2z. Replacing d by 2. M value is 2. Replacing d1 by 2. So 2 squared means 4. Next here if we replacing d squared by minus m squared, we get minus 3 squared means minus 9 plus 9 gets cancels, we get something by 0 is infinity. So particular integral doesn't exist. That's in this particular case I am using this formula because denominator is 0. So here formula x divided by 2a cos ax. So a is 3. So x means here z. Z divided by 2, 3. 2 into 3 sin ax becomes cos ax. So cos 3 z. So formula 1 by d square plus a square sin ax is nothing but in general if you take like this z, a z, here we get is minus z divided by 2a cos a z. Here a is nothing but 3. So here yp we get 3 divided by 13 e power 2z minus z divided by 6 cos 3z. So, complete solution. Why I am using this formula 1 by d square plus a squared sin az, because the reason, if you replacing d squared by minus m squared, denominator becomes 0. So, that reason you can't get a particular integral of this part. So, I am using this formula 1 by d square plus a squared sin az is minus z divided by 2a cos a z. A is nothing but 3. Next, complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So, y is equal to yc c1 cos 3 z is nothing but what, log x, plus c2 sin 3 log x, plus 3 divided by 13 e power z is nothing but x squared is e power 2 z is nothing but x squared z by 6, z is nothing but what here, log x cos 3 log x. So, this is a solution of the given problem. Next, x squared d square by d squared plus 2x divided by dx minus 20y is equal to x plus 1 whole square. This can be written as x square d square 2xd 20 of y x plus 1 whole square. This equation we call as number 1. Take z is equal to log x. This implies x is equal to e power z. Therefore, xd is equal to d1 x square d square is nothing but d1 squared minus d1. So, equation 1 becomes d1 squared minus d1 2d1 minus 20 of y. So, here e power z plus 1 whole square. So, d1 square d1 minus 20 of y expand this one e power 2z 2 e power 2z a square 2ab d square. Next, auxiliary equation is m squared m minus 20 is equal to 0. So, m squared plus m can be written as 5m minus 4m minus 20 is equal to 0. M can be written as 5m minus 4m. So, from these two terms, if you take m as common, m plus 5, so minus 4 as common, so we get this one. So, m plus 5 of m minus 4 is equal to 0. So, m is equal to 5, 4. So, here yc c1 e power minus 5z, c2 e power 4z. These two are real roots. This one is m1, m2. Procedure is c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x. m1 is nothing but minus 5, m2 is 4. Next, yp 1 by d1 square d1 minus 20 e power 2z 2 into e power z plus 1. So, here d1 square plus d1 minus 20 e power 2z multiply each term. So, 2 into d1 square d1 minus 20 e power z. Next, d1 square d1 minus 20 e power 0 z, because 1 can be written as e power 0, because 1 is equal to anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So, here replacing d by m means 2, replacing here in first part, replacing d by 2, 4, 2, 20 e power 2 z. Here m value 1, replacing d by 1, 1 plus 1 minus 20, this one. Here m value 0, replacing d by 0, 0, 0 minus 20 into 1. So here we get yp. So here minus 1 by 14 e power 2z. Next here to minus 18 means minus 2 divided by minus 18 means minus 1 by 9 e power z. Next minus 1 by 20. Therefore complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So yc is nothing but c1 e power z means x. Therefore x to the power of minus 5, because minus 5 here. Next to c2 x power, here what, 4, x to the power of 4 minus 1 by 14 x square, because 2, 1 by 9 x, because 1 minus 1 by 20, because e power z is nothing but x. So this is the result. This is the required solution of the given problem. That's all. X square d square by dx square plus 3x dy by dx plus y is equal to x plus 1 by x. Here this equation, x square d square 3xt plus 1 of y, x plus 1 by x. Take z is equal to log x, imply x is equal to e power z. Therefore xd d1 x square d square d1 squared minus d1. This equation we call as number 1. So equation 1 becomes, so here d1 square d1 3d1 plus 1 of y e power z 1 by e power z. So here d1 square 2d1 plus 1 of y e power z e power minus z. Here this can be written as d1 plus 1 whole squared of y e power z e power minus z. Therefore actual equation is m plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. This implies m is equal to minus 1 minus 1. Therefore yc c1 c2 z e power minus z, because repeated twice. In case of if it is repeated twice, we are taking c1 c2 x e power mx, m is minus 1. Next yp means d1 plus 1 whole square e power z e power minus z. So d1 plus 1 whole square e power z d1 plus 1 minus z. So yp replacing d by 1, because m value 1, this one is z. So 1 plus 1 whole square e power z. Here if we take minus 1 plus 1 gets cancels. So here whole square, so that is an x square divided by 2 factorial e power minus z. Because here 2 factor is 0, because 2 factor is 0, therefore x squared by 2 factorial. X squared means here in terms of z, z squared by 2 factorial. If it is whole cube, we are taking z cube divided by 3 factorial. If it is whole to the power of 4, z to the power of 4 divided by here 4 factorial. Because here 2 factorial whole square, we get 2 fact here d plus 1 whole square. This one if we take replacing d by 1, if we take replacing d by minus 1, we get 0. 2 factors are equal to 0. That's z square divided by 2 factor. So, complete solution y is equal to yc plus yp. So, yc c1 c2 z e power minus z. Next 1 by 4 e power z z square divided by 2 e power minus z. So, c1 c2 z means log x, this one is 1 by x. So, x, so this one is z means log x whole square divided by 2 into 1 by x, because e power z is x, e power minus z is so x power minus 1, this one is equal to 1 by x. This is the required solution of the given problem. That's all. Solve x square d square minus 3xt plus 5 of y x squared sin of log x. Here given equation is x square d square 3xd plus 5 of y x square sin of log x. This equation we called as one. Take z is equal to log x, imply x is equal to e power z, therefore xd d1 x square d square d1 squared minus d1. These are standard substitutions. Equation 1 becomes, instead of x square d square, I am taking d1 square minus d1, 3 d1 plus 5 of y. So, e power 2z sin z sin z. Therefore, d1 square 4d1 plus 5 of y sin z. Next auxiliary equation is m square 4m plus 5 is equal to 0. M square 4m plus 4 plus 1 is equal to 0. Instead of this one, m squared minus 4m plus 4 can be written as m minus 2 whole squared is equal to minus 1. So, m minus 2 is equal to plus I minus root of minus 1. So, 2 plus I minus I. Therefore, yc here complex roots. Therefore, formula e power 2z c1 cos z c2 sin z, because we know that in case of alpha plus I minus I beta, rule is e power alpha z c1 cos beta z c2 sin beta z. Here solution we are taking in terms of z, because I am taking substitution x is equal to e power z. Next yp. So, yp d1 square 41 plus 5 e power 2z sin z. So, yp is equal to replacing d by d plus m. So, d1 plus 2 whole square 4 d1 plus 2 plus 5. So, here e power 2z into, so replacing procedure d by d1 by d1 plus m, d1 plus 2, because m is equal to 2. Simplify this one. So, yp e power 2z d1 squared a squared b squared 41 2ab b squared 4. So, 4d1 minus 8 plus 5 sin z. Here 4d1 square 41 gets cancels, a square 2ab means 2d1 into 2 4d1, b squared means 4 4d1 minus 8. So, e power 2z into d1 square. So, here we get 9 9 minus 8 1 sin z. If replacing procedure is d square, replacing d1 squared by minus m squared means minus 1 square. Minus 1 plus 1 gets cancels, we get 0. So, yp doesn't exist. That's reason I am using, there is a formula 1 a squared sine z is nothing but minus z by 2a cos z. Here a value 1. A value 1. Therefore, e power 2z minus z by 2 into 1 cos z. Therefore, minus 1 by 2 z e power 2z cos z. Next complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. Yc x square e power z means x square c1 cos log x c2 sin of log x. Instead of z I am taking log x minus 1 by 2 log x into x square cos log x. This is the here required solution of the given problem. Solve x squared d squared minus xt plus 4 of y cos of log x plus x sin of log x. Auxiliary equation. Sorry. First we have to take substitution. Take z is equal to log x is equal to e power z. Therefore, xt is nothing but d1. We know that x squared d squared is nothing but d1 square d1. Equation 1 becomes so d1 square d1 next to d1 4 of y cos z e power z sin z. Cos, instead of log x I am taking z cos z, instead of x I am taking e power z sin of z. Therefore, d1 square 2d1 plus 4 of y cos z e power z sin z. Therefore, auxiliary equation m square 2m plus 4 is equal to 0. M square 2m plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. M minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 3. Here 4 can be written as 1 plus 3. Instead of m square minus 2m plus 1 can be written as m minus 1 whole square. Here plus 3 transfer from LHS to RHS. So, m minus 1 is equal to plus or minus root 3. So, m is equal to 1 plus or minus I root 3. Next here yc. So, e power z c1 cos root 3 z c2 sin root 3 z. Because we know that formula alpha plus I minus I beta is nothing but e power alpha z. Here alpha is 1. So, c1 cos z c2 sin z. Sorry, here beta z, here beta z. Beta is nothing but root 3. Next yp 1 by d1 square 2d1 plus 4 cos z e power z sin z. Next yp 1 by d1 square 2d1 plus 4 cos z plus d1 square 2d1 plus 4 e power z sin z. So yp replacing d squared by minus 1 squared minus 1 2d 1 plus 4 next replacing d squared by minus m squared. So minus 1 in first term replacing d1 squared by minus m squared. M value here we get 1. So minus 1. Second step, second term. In second term procedure is, so m value 1 replacing d1 by d1 plus m. M means 1. So e power z into d1 plus 1 4 square to d1 plus 1 plus 4 sin z. I am using here replacing d squared by minus m squared. M is minus 1, replacing d squared by minus 1 squared means minus 1 itself. Here replacing d1 by d1 plus m. M is nothing but 1. So replacing d1 by d1 plus 1. Next yp. So here we get minus 1 plus 4 3, 3 minus 2d1. Here multiply and divide by 3 plus 2d1, 3 plus 2d1. Because if you multiply and divide by 3 plus 2d1, we get a minus b into a plus b for we get d1 square term. That's then multiply and divide by 3 plus 2d1. Next here simplify this one, e power z d1 square 2d1 plus 1 minus 2d1 minus 1 plus 4 sin z. Next 2d1 cancels, plus 1 minus 1 gets cancels. So here we get yp 3 plus 2d1 9 minus 4d 1 square cos z. So e power z into d1 square plus 4 sin z. Next here yp 3 plus 2d1 replacing d by here replacing d squared by minus m squared means minus 1 cos z. So here minus 1 plus 4 sin z. Here replacing d1 squared by minus m squared. M value 1 we get minus 1. So here we get yp 1 by 13 3 cos z to derivative cos z minus sin z minus sin z. So 1 by 3 e power z sin z. Therefore complete solution is y is equal to yc plus yp. So here yc is nothing but x, e power z means x, c1 cos root 3 log x, c2 sin root 3 log x plus 1 by 13 half 3 cos log x minus 2 sin, instead of sin I am taking sin of log x. Next to 1 by 3 x sin of log x. This is the required solution of the given problem. Thank you for all students.